Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat, or about how your dad has gotten fat. Well, I picked up. Don't pick up the
Excuse me, sir, but I'm afraid someone is endeavouring to contact you telephonically. Shall I tell them to fuck off?